Before start anything, you just ask question in your own, like if you're going to play a game, like why should I play the game, what are the rules, if I'm going to make a dish, what it tastes like, right? What are the ingredients need for this dish? If I'm going to a mall, like what are the things available here? That's how, like when you start a new thing or a new chapter, you should ask question in your own. So constitutions we are going to start today. Before starting this, you just ask question to your own, like what is constitutions, what are the functions, what are the role it prefers for the society, how does constitution related to our daily existence, right? If you don't ask question na, it will get difficult to understand things. So whenever you start a new chapter or new thing, ask question, why I'm doing this, what is the thing, right? Understood? So constitutions, if you're going to understand the constitution, before that start the chapter, imagine yourself to be a member of a reasonable large group. Further image that the group has a following characteristics. The member of this group are divided various way. They are different religions. Some are Hindu, some are Muslim, some are Christian, some are perhaps have no religions at all. They are also varied in many different respects. They pursue different professions, have different abilities, have different hobbies, different tastes, everything from the society, right? Some are rich, some are poor, some are old, some are young. Maybe imagine father, more father. The member of this group likely to have dispute over various aspects of lives. How much property should one allowed to own? Should it compulsory that every child be sent to school, or should the parents be allowed to decide? How much should this group spend on its safety and security, or should it build more parks instead? Should the group be allowed to discriminate against some of its members? Every question is elite a variety of answers from different people. Yes or no? Like if I ask same question to different people, they will ask more or less that may be a kind of same answer, but they will answer different way in their own, right? So one may say that perhaps members of this group can be live together if they can agree on some basic rules. Why will the group need certain basic rules? Why? Think of what would happen in absence of some basic rules. Every individual would have insecure supply because they would not know what members of this group could be do each other. Who could claim rights over what? Any group will need some basic rules that are publicly known to all members of that group to achieve minimal degrees of coordinate. Is it or not? But those groups that to achieve minimal degree of coordinations, but those rules must not only be known, they must also be enforceable, right? That's how you have to enforce things, right? You can't just write on wall. You have to apply those things, right? If citizens have no assurance that others will follow these rules, they themselves have no reasons to follow those rules. Saying that the rules are legally enforceable given an assurance to every other will follow those. For if they do not do so, they will be punished. And that's how constitution also works, and that's how it made, right? For every individual they got their